In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use large file transfers, Dropbox tutorials. Whether you're working on a big project or need to send hefty files to coworkers or clients, Dropbox makes it simple and secure. I'll walk you through each part so you can confidently share your files with anyone, even if they don't use Dropbox. Start by opening your Dropbox account. On the left sidebar, click More to expand additional options, then choose Transfer. This tool is designed for sending large files and supports transfers up to 100 gigabytes, which is perfect for videos, design assets, project archives, or any collection that's too big for email. On the right side of the screen, click Create Transfer. This opens the workspace where you'll prepare your file package. Take a moment to confirm you're in the right project or folder view, especially if you manage multiple workspaces. Now add your files. If you like the quickest approach, drag and drop files directly from your computer into the transfer window. It's fast and intuitive. If you prefer choosing files from a list, click Upload Files and select exactly what you need from your device. When you want to share an entire folder, say a project folder with subfolders, use the drop-down next to Upload Files and choose Upload Folders. That keeps your structure intact so everything arrives organized. If your content is already stored in Dropbox, save time by selecting Add from Dropbox and pick the files or folders you've already uploaded. This helps avoid duplicate uploads and ensures you're sending the latest version. After your files are in place, customize the transfer. Click the pencil icon to rename it with a clear, recognizable title. Good naming helps recipients understand what they're getting at a glance. Then click the gear icon to adjust security settings. Here you can set an expiration date so the link automatically stops working after a period of time, or add a password for extra protection. Keep in mind that these advanced controls require a professional plan. When everything looks good, click Create Transfer. You'll see options to send it directly via email from Dropbox, which is convenient for inviting specific people, or you can click Copy Link to share it anywhere, chat, project tools, or a calendar invite. Recipients just open the link and download. They don't need a Dropbox account. And that's your complete walkthrough of large file transfers in Dropbox. It's a reliable way to move big files without clogging inboxes, and it keeps everything organized and easy to access. Thanks for watching, and check out our other tutorials for more time-saving Dropbox tips.